Welcome to Us Bike Pro. Today we bring you a detailed overview of the 2026 Honda Shine 125, a motorcycle that continues to rule the 125 cubic centimeters segment with its reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. The new 2026 model comes with subtle upgrades that make daily commuting even better. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 maintains its classic and simple design, which is loved by commuters. It features a refreshed fuel tank with new graphics, a stylish chrome touch on the exhaust, and improved body panels. The overall look is clean, elegant, and perfect for riders who prefer a mature and practical motorcycle. Engine and performance. Honda Shine 125 is powered by a refined 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. The engine focuses on low-end and mid-range power, making city rides effortless. With Honda's advanced engine technology, vibration levels are minimal, ensuring a comfortable riding experience even on longer routes. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains one of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Honda Shine 125. Designed for everyday use, this bike offers excellent mileage, making it an ideal choice for daily office commuters and budget-conscious riders. The optimized engine tuning helps reduce fuel consumption without compromising performance. Comfort and ride quality. The Shine 125 offers a relaxed riding posture with a wide and well-cushioned seat. The suspension setup handles rough roads smoothly, while the lightweight frame makes handling easy in traffic. Both rider and pillion enjoy a stable and comfortable ride. Features and safety. The 2026 model includes updated features like a refined instrument cluster, improved braking system, and enhanced build quality. Honda's focus on safety and durability makes this bike dependable for everyday use. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 continues to be a strong, reliable, and fuel-efficient motorcycle. For more such updates and bike reviews, stay connected with us BIC.